I searched how to buy shares of Raisio Oyj to show you a practical example. Raisio is a Finnish food and ingredients company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker RAIKV.HE. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registration, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your account to buy shares. On the platform, use the search bar and type the ticker RAIKV.HE to find Raisio Oyj. Select the listing that matches the CBOE EU exchange to locate the correct stock. Open the Raisio asset page to see basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and exchange to make sure it is the right share before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, choose how much you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a market on open, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to see the platform demonstrated.